Good evening once more. So this is a video about email marketing, the old school, the mailers where you can send emails out as a free member. Let's just load it up on a blank screen or desktop. It's called Mr. Safe List. So fast, free, and effective email advertising. So it's good leads that you get. So you either become a free member, which I'm on this one, the last video was a paid member, free member, and you read emails to get credits, and with these credits you can send out emails to the members, or you can actually pay for it, and you don't have to read the credits, and you send out emails. In the description we've got our great private partner programs who build their own system for you, even build your email list, send out the emails for you. You can learn email marketing, how to speed up the process by sending out emails. So this is one of the ways of doing it through SafeList. Basically send out emails. So it's Instagram's important, Facebook and YouTube and things. This is a good way of doing it for free. So this is the home page, and then let's go through it. Promo tools. This if you're wanting to promote this company, this mailer, and this would be my affiliate link. And then it's got ones for Twitter and email ads, what email you could send out to people. So you can promote your own business or our business, and here's banner ads and different things, or their business, and you get commission just the same. So if you go to Credit Mailer, because I don't pay for it, it says here that free members can use it every 5 days. Your last mail was in July the 8th, so it's another day I need to wait. And then if we go into stats, so many stuff open. Let's see, I've got it all named as that's as Mr. Safe List. Yeah, so it's 5 opt-ins to landing page and about 300 clicks. So it does work. You do get leads from it, and that's Mr. Safeless. So when you send out, you can save your emails in case you want to use them again. So I've got different ones that I have saved. I kind of use AI now, which is a marvelous technology. It just it ranks all these YouTube videos, and it writes emails of more people open the emails by using AI. You put a bit of work in and as well, say what you want it to write, but it's marvelous what it can do. So I've not looked in the banner text ads, so apparently I can have a few of these on the go, but our affiliate program is in the process of creating that, so I'll get and add that later. I didn't even know until I'd done these videos that you got that. So that's another traffic. Someone like that would click on your banner ad. That's what banner ad is there, and you can get leads that way. So read the emails to read emails to get credits, but you could also buy credits as well. So with paying for the service without reading credits, it's a monthly fee, but with this one it's like one-off payment of these amounts. So you could get, what's that, even 100,000 credits for $47, which is great. Or the emails you could actually send out with that, or you could upgrade, and it tells you as a free member every 5 days, as VIP every day, Pro every 3 days, and you're sending it to higher quality list, being a VIP to fellow VIPs, where I'm sent to free members, so that's why the opt-ins is only at 5 out of 300. And say there's affiliate program, and the guy's quite good if you email him any issues, which are normally as promo code. That's just if you were redirected from another site and you get a discount on something. So that's not something that I've got, but you can use some promoting has got promo codes apparently that you can use. If you've got one, then you can do that. So there's about 2,700 members. If that's online or active, I think that may be just online. I'm not entirely sure, but it's a great way of setting up your business, starting off rather. So you can take a look at Mr. Safe List. I'll put the link below, and also a private partner program. So hope to see you on the inside. Bye bye for now.